Hello, this is Victor from Black Pisces Production, and you're watching the How to Mix Power Metal video series. In the previous part of the video series, we talked about the toms. Today, I'm going to show you how I mix the drum room track. But before that, a quick reminder. Drums before mixing. And drums after mixing. In this mix, I went for a heavily compressed and distorted drum room sound. Let me show you a before and after comparison. The first insert on this track is the virtual mix rack plugin with the VCC channel, FGS equalizer, FG116 vintage compressor and the New York modules. The VCC channel is set to group 8. The settings are the following: Britain mode, drive at 9 dBs and input at -6.3 dBs. After the VCC channel, the FGS equalizer is used to add more top end and to cut out unwanted frequencies. I boosted 8 dBs above 7.5 kHz, cut 4 dBs around 2 kHz, 4 dBs around 700 Hz and 3 dBs around 100 Hz with the bell mode turned on. After the equalizer, I used the FG116 vintage compressor on the second circuit with the HP setting turned on. The attack is set to 2 and the release is set to 7. The compressor is working really aggressively, it is showing around 10 decibels of gain reduction. The last module is the New York module that is used to heavily saturate the signal. The second insert on this channel is my Aggressor plugin that I use to saturate the signal even more with clipping. You can experiment with clipper or distortion plugins to saturate the drum room track. And now a before and after comparison of these two plugins. The first FX send on this channel sends the signal into my room FX track. This gives even roomier sound and feel to the drum room track. The second FX send I used sends the drum room track into my Reverb FX track. This adds longer space to the overall sound. And now the two FX sends together. Today I showed you how to get a heavily compressed and distorted drum room track. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please click the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I am going to show you the processing on my drum bus. Thank you for watching, see you next time.